Textile sector is the backbone of the Indian economy as this is the oldest and the second largest employment generating sector in India. India is the largest producer of cotton in the world. Textile sector contributes to nearly 15% of the total export and it has a major contribution in the GDP of India. The vast and the diversified sector need to be compiled on a single platform for the benefit of people associated with it. So here comes the ITWA, that is All India Textile Employees Welfare Association. ITWA mission is to bring all the different textile individuals, companies, colleges and consultants of the industry to one place where they can interact with each other directly in an organized way. This is the platform whose objective is to do the overall welfare of the textile employees. By the people, for the people is the motto of this association. Now we'll talk about the how ITWA works. ITWA advise, support, help and guide its member in various ways. ITWA makes sure that in case you lose your job or you want to switch, then it's come forward to help you by providing a large network of employees, consultants and companies through its portal. ITWA provides you an opportunity to share your valuable feedback on companies which will be beneficial for each and every member. ITWA ensure that in case of any legal or technical help like salary issues, filling various income tax form, etc. or in case of any dispute, ITWA is always there to help you. ITWA also help you to groom your skill by providing various training and programs. ITWA will welcomes and recognize the renowned member of the industry so they can also pass on their knowledge and experience to the upcoming generation. ITWA raise the issues of the textile workforce to the concerned authorities. It works as a voice of textile industry employee so that they must not feel alone or helpless in case their rights are violated. ITWA will help you economically in case of emergencies. It will also help you to grow your social and professional network. Now we'll talk about the working model of ITWA, which is 3 C's, that is company, colleges and the consultant. These 3 organizations and institutions need to be interlinked for the smooth working and betterment of the textile industry. Now we'll talk about the first C, that is college. ITWA will help to provide internship to the textile college student. ITWA will arrange mill visit, factory visit where a student can enhance their practical knowledge. ITWA will also help to provide the job after completing their college. Now coming to the companies, one of the difficult tasks for any company is to find a suitable candidate for the job. So ITWA come forward to connect these textile companies to a vast network of textile individuals and consultants through its portal. Now coming to the consultant is the bridge between employee and the company. So consultants have to work hard to find and match the profile as per the requirement. But what if consultant college company find a centralized database system that is accessible to all of them just a click away? So look how these key factors were diversified in the past, but they are dependent on each other. So ITWA is here to make a bridge between all these channels to fill the gaps. Till now, what we have heard in this video is all about the welfare, whether it is the welfare of an employee, company, consultant or a college student. But what about the welfare of the society and environment in which we live? Shouldn't we think about this? There might be a chance that some of us had thought to work in this direction, but due to some hurdles like lack of time and availability of the proper platform, somewhere we stop ourselves. ITWA has taken all these things under consideration and launched various programs for its members through which they can get a chance to serve the society and environment. So be a part of the cause by joining hands with ITWA. Thank you.